Hi, this is PR Sundar. Yesterday night, there were a lot of messages I received through WhatsApp, Twitter. They said that 12,500 call option in NIFTY expiring on 10th of September. There was a huge increase in the open interest. The open interest increased more than 10 times. And everybody wanted to know what is the reason. Are they informed people who are buying call options so huge? And is NIFTY going to touch 12,500 by next Thursday? Now, if you look at NIFTY today, it is somewhere around 11,500, 550, and 12,500 is almost 1,000 point away. There are only 5 trading sessions. In each trading session, 200 point NIFTY has to go up in order to reach 12,500. I don't think that is possible at this point of time. And you have seen when the market shot up, Bank NIFTY shot up 2,000 point in 2 days, what is the kind of profit booking that came? DAAs are booking the profit heavily. So, somebody is buying 12,500 call option in huge quantity. It does not mean that NIFTY will be touching 12,500. Now, let me tell you one important thing. Even the technical analyst, they interpret this way only. Highest open interest among the put option is considered as a support. Highest open interest among the call option is considered as a resistance. So, therefore, why people assume that informed people buying in heavy quantities? Why don't you interpret it as informed people selling heavily? Even if anybody has some information that market is going to shoot up, and those people will not buy such a far out of the money call options, as they expect, even if the market shoot up, even if the market come and closes at 12,500, they will still lose the entire money. They normally buy slightly in the money option or at the money option. Usually the trend followers do that way only. They don't buy far out of the money option. But then question comes, why there is so much volume? Let me tell you. With the new margining system by SEBI, for every call option you are selling, you have to buy far out of the money call option in order to reduce the margin money. Otherwise, your margin money will be very high. Even I sold 12,000 call option thinking that market is not going to cross 12,000 by the end of this expiry, by the end of September month expiry. And in order to reduce the margin money, and I also bought 12,500 call option. So this is done purely to reduce the margin money. Then somebody told me, sir, if that is the case, then there must be corresponding increase in the 12,000 call option also. But there was no corresponding increase in the 12,000 call option, either weekly or monthly. But the fact is that some people, they sell 11,800, 11,900, 12,000, 12,100, 12,200, and then they go and buy 12,500. So it is not necessary that they should sell at same strike price, but for all the selling, they can buy the option at the same strike. That is one. Second thing, even people who have sold last week, and they would have bought the call option in the today's expiry, that is the 3rd September expiry, and that would expire worthless. And to continue the hedging, they have to buy the next week call option. So you will not see the corresponding increase in the selling of call option because these call options were sold last week and 12,500 call option was bought last week. Now that has gone worthless. Now we have to buy again for the next week. So this is what we call it as rolling over the buy option. So this is another reason. Then some people ask me, sir, if that is the case, only on Thursday they should buy the call option. Why are they buying it on Wednesday? Sometimes towards the end of Thursday, there's a lot of demand from the hedgers, and because of that, sometimes premium shoots up. So therefore, some people do not want to take the risk. They just go and buy one day ahead of the expiry. So just by looking at this, you cannot come to any conclusion. And now let us look at the option chain. So this is the NSE website, and look at the option chain and 10th September. And 10th September, you can see call options. Once again, there's a huge open interest added, which is almost 12 lakh. But whereas you don't see any 12 lakh increase in any other strike, only in 12,500. 12 lakh increase, now it total is 19 lakh. But let us look at what happened yesterday. So to look at what has happened yesterday, you have to take the historical data. Now, on 31st August, the number of contract traded was only 2,900. The open interest was only 42,000. And on 1st of September, it became 48,000. That's normal. But it is only yesterday, from 48,000, it has gone to 6,70,000. So the open interest added more than 10 times. And from 6.7 lakh, today it has come to 19 lakh. So all these are the options being bought by the people who have sold the option at a lower strike, and they are buying this for hedging. Otherwise, be assured by next Thursday, there is no way Nifty will be touching 12,500. Thank you for watching.